All right, guys, how to create a Ylopo lead capture page for your open houses in 1 or 2 minutes. So you're first going to go to ylopo.realestateprg.com, as you see here, and this is going to take you to the Ylopo branded site tools. You'll scroll down and you'll see open house. Click on open house. Now that opens the tool for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste the MLS number. You got to put the ML. So this is for one of our listings right now. Then I'll go select the team member. So you can create this for somebody else or create it for yourself. I'm going to select myself and I'm going to go create open house link. So when I click that, now this creates this landing page. And I can do one of two things with this. I can print this out if I'd like, and I can have it on display at the open house, or I can just have it on display full screen, as you see here. If I click on full screen, I can have it on display at the open house on my laptop, and people can just scan the QR code or click, sign in here if they want to click, or they scan the QR code. So when I click this, you see the little window pops up. What's important is that they put all their information in. So it's all required: first name, last name, email. Sign up for news and updates. That's optional box they can check. Phone number. Do they have an agent? The most important thing is they have to check this box right here on the bottom that says, I agree to receive marketing communications. And so when they check that, that's going to allow us to be able to send them information. So I just let them know, hey, by checking that, that allows us to send you information about the property and any other properties we have coming up. And if I go back to this URL here, so the URL, the link that it created for you here, now this link is a link that you can use in the future. Let's say if you wanted to create, have just like a consistent page that you use, you can have this link. Or if I want to send this link and open it on my phone, you can also have this open on your cell phone and just hand people your cell phone and have them sign in on your cell phone. And the cool thing about this is when somebody signs in, these leads go directly to you in Follow Up Boss. They get assigned to you directly in Follow Up Boss. So that saves a bunch of steps. It's also going to immediately put them on a home search based off of this property. So it'll start to send them similar properties, property alerts, and then you can start seeing their activity. The other thing too is we have a couple automations set up. So within 24 hours of them registering, they'll automatically get a text from you through Follow Up Boss, just following up with them saying, hey, what'd you think about the property? You know, what's your timeline for buying a home? And that creates some engagement. There's also a sequence of emails that'll go out to them, maybe just touching base with them about their home search. So all you have to do is create this page, get people to sign in. The system starts doing the rest for you. And then you just got to make sure you watch for the activity that's happening in Follow Up Boss and follow up with them accordingly. There you go.